Welcome back. After creating a function and a website, we're taking things up a notch by adding object storage so you can store and retrieve files right inside your project. First, head over to Storage in the side menu and click the plus button. Name the storage. I choose Simple Storage. For the matcher, I choose /simple/storage. Set the type to object bucket and the size to 1 GB. You can use any string here, even a regular expression, but I like to keep it simple and easy to recognize. Click Validate. Now your storage configuration is ready. This only exists locally for now. Click the push button in the bottom right, a commit message, and push. Unlike other major storage providers, Taubyte storage is initiated on the fly when you first use it. As of today, storage is only accessible from your code. If you want to interact with it over HTTP, you will need to create a function that serves as a gateway. So our plan is create two functions that will use the storage: an upload function sending data to our bucket and a download function retrieving stored data from the bucket. This means the bucket doesn't actually exist until your code interacts with it. Because of that, your matcher can even be a regular expression. Profile/storage/the regular expression means opening profile/storage/user A would automatically create a bucket just for that user, without you needing to manually configure each bucket. This is incredibly flexible for multi-user or dynamic storage scenarios. You can generate pre-user, pre-session, or even pre-project buckets just by adding the path. Go to Functions, click the plus button, and fill in your desired information. I'll name it store_file. I'll set the memory to 100 MB, method to post, path to API/store, and entry point to store. Switch to code view and paste the storage function code. This opens the /simple/storage bucket, then reads the request body in JSON format, and finally writes the provided data into the specified file. Test with a post request using curl. If it works, your file is now stored. Let's create the download function. Clone the store_file function, rename it to getFile, and set the method to get, an entry point to get, then switch to code view and paste the get function code. This code reads the file name from the query string, then opens the /simple/storage bucket and streams the file back to the HTTP response. Run dream inject push all to trigger a build again, and test with a GET request using curl. If it works, you'll see the file content in the response. You've just created a storage bucket, learned how Taubyte dynamically creates bucket on first use, and used it through custom upload and download functions. This approach lets you scale storage for multiple users without any extra setup, and it's all controlled directly from your code. Next time, we'll cover databases.